my name is Jordynn. I'm an RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn. I grew up just outside of Joyce and graduated from Lake Mills High School. Then I went to Kirkwood Community College where I played volleyball and received my associate's degree before finishing up at the University of Northern Iowa for marketing. My husband and I currently live in Clemmy with our 2 boys, but can't wait to get them living on an acreage. Our 4-year-old Cruz has been a great help fixing up the acreage we bought last fall, whereas Connor, our 3-year-old, is typically too busy exploring to offer his assistance. We also just got our puppy Reba this spring. She is a border collie, so definitely full of energy, but has so far been a great addition to our family. Speaking of additions, this fall we'll be welcoming our 3rd child to the mix. Our family spends as much time as we can outside, whether we're grilling, enjoying the water, riding bikes, rangers, snowmobiles, honestly just anything we can do to get outside and get that fresh air. When we're not enjoying our time with friends or family, you'll typically find my husband working in the garage, but he also volunteers on the fire department. As for me, I've spent the past few years as a volunteer coach for the Lake Mills volleyball program. I also still play in a volleyball league as well as a bowling league. Thank you for watching, and be sure to give me a call so I can help you with all of your RV needs.